Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Koff and today I'm going to tell you a story about myself. Once upon a time, I was just a lonely puff of air without a purpose. One day, as I floated through the forest, I overheard a group of kids planning an adventure to find the legendary Koff Kalma. Curiosity got the better of me and I decided to tag along, hoping to find my own place in the magical world. As we journeyed through the forest, hiccup hills and bubblegum bridge, I couldn't help but feel a warmth in my heart. The laughter of the kids and the joy spread seemed to melt away my mischievous intentions. Could it be that I longed to be part of something positive? But challenges awaited us, and in the face of the storm, the kids showed remarkable resilience. Their laughter became a powerful force, and I couldn't help but be captivated by its magic. Guided by Dr. Sneeze, we finally reached the heart of the forest, where the Koff Kalma awaited. The kids, with their infectious laughter, concocted the magical remedy that not only cured the town, but transformed me into something new. A playful breeze that carried laughter and joy wherever it went. Breathington, once troubled my sneezy spells, now flourished with echoes of laughter and kindness. The kids, having discovered the true power of joy, welcomed me as the reformed Mr. Koff, now a friend who brought smiles instead of sniffles. And so, in this magical land, the tale of Mr. Koff took an unexpected turn, teaching us all that even a mischievous cloud can find its purpose in spreading happiness and laughter. Bye!